Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah An-Nahl, Chapter 16.
إن الله مع الذين اتقوا والذين هم مخلصون.
Indeed, Allah is with those who fear Him and those who are those of good. Surah An-Naml, Chapter 27.
وقل الحمد لله سيريكم آياته فتعرفونها وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
And say, all praise is due to Allah. He will show you His sign and you will recognize them, and your Lord is not unaware of what you do. Surah An-Kabut, Chapter 29.
والذين جاهدوا فينا لنهدينهم سبلنا وإن الله لمع المحسنين.
And those who strive for us, we will surely guide them to our ways, and indeed, Allah is with those of good. Thanks for watching, friends. Allah Hafiz. Jazakumullahu khairah.